Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. To change the straps or the wristband on this watch, first you will need to remove the old ones. And to do it, you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on the straps, or rather on the straps where they're connecting with the watch, you will have this kinda hinge, the pin. And to remove the strap, you need to grab this pin and pull it to the middle of the watch, to the inside. You pull it, and once you pull it, it will release the mechanism and you can basically pull out the strap like this. So you grab the pin, pull it to the inside, to the middle, like that, and then you can pull out the strap. And as you can see, the watch is here, the strap is removed. And once you get the new strap, you simply grab it, you align one of the pins on the strap, because it has pins on two sides. You align it with the hole on the watch, place it like that, then you pull the pin again, align it with the hole and release the pin. Oh, I missed the thing. Let me try again. So put in the pin, pull out the pin, or pull in the pin, then release it, align it. Oh, doesn't want to snap on. Let's try again. Like this, and this time it snapped on and it will hold. Let's do the same for the other side. So basically put it in the hole like that, pull the pin, align it and release it. It's a bit wonky, but like that, align it, and once you release the pin and it goes in, basically it will hold, but sometimes it doesn't want to actually click in. Oh, come on. Okay, now it should hold like this. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.